Hello viewers, one or more keys of your keyboard is not working or your keyboard is entirely out of order. So in that case, if you don't have any alternate, you can use soft copy of keyboard. Either you do have a touch screen laptop or a regular. This soft keyboard can save you a lot of time in emergency. On screen please. The first way, click start button and then settings, go to accessibility and scroll down and find keyboard. Then on this button on screen keyboard, if I close it, it will automatically off. I can click it again. And now the second method, right click on taskbar settings, click it and then accessibility, scroll down and find keyboard. And once again, this on button is responsible for appearing or disappearing the soft keyboard. And now the third and the best method, control key plus window button plus O from your keyboard, click it and this keyboard appears. Now open any editor or text editor or the item app you use, type, you can type just like the way you normally type on keyboard. You can select the entire word. Now just click shift key to make parentheses or symbols. You can make anything like the way sometimes at the rate or hash doesn't come with your hard keyboard of shift key, so you can use this to send email in emergency. You can also switch between the characters by arrow keys. You can remove it with this cross, and you can also go to page up, page down. Let me click control and end. Now I'm on 30th page. Now let me click control and home and I'm on first page. This is the best way and the most easy to read the document instantly. You can use caps lock, symbols, and all your requirements are completed from here. You can also click help to reach the website. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.